Hey guys, so today we're going to be opening my, though there's no label on it, but it's the Motion RC Skynetic Sbach 342 3D plane. It's a flat foamy, so I'm going to fly at the Stone Mountain RC Flyer indoor event, and we're going to see how that goes. It's about 900 millimeters wingspan, so that should be pretty manageable. I've never flown a plane indoors. Wow. That looks really, oh, look at that. That's so cool. Wait, and they even pre-cut the servo holes. They didn't do a good job at it, but they did it. What can I ask for? I mean, it is what it is. Shipped straight from China, so we got everything. Except the wings. No, I'm just kidding. The wings are right there. But we have our rudder. So the rudder is actually thinner than the fuselage, and I believe that the fuselage is an inch thick. It's either that or like 3/4 of an inch. Don't rely on me. Wait, in all the setup instructions, they didn't have these carbon rods glued in. These are like the most annoying and time-consuming part. And they even painted the gear mount. They did all of this. Like, that means that someone already assembled it. That's why they didn't cut the servo. People can see it on the camera. There's a little cut there. They made a mistake. Ooh. Caught you guys. So I guess it wasn't straight from China. Either that or in the factory they cut it and everything. They didn't do the elevator. They didn't do the rudder though. But they did the majority of it, and that little cut really won't matter. And I think I'm gonna have to make like a cut from here all the way to the fuselage for the little servo wire to go in. But other than that, thank you, Motion RC. And these are all of our carbon rods. So most of them go in like the elevator, rudder. These go in like the wings, obviously. Next up, we got some propeller, cheap Chinese propeller, gem fan. Pretty good props. I use some of their drone propellers for my FPV drone. It's our landing gear. So we got metal landing gear, 2 zip ties to hold the ESC, and a couple of control horns, linkage thingies, wheels, Velcro, and that's that. Now electronics, which isn't the most important part, but it's one of the most important parts. We are rocking a 30 amp ESC, which is the same one as in the Starling. Look over there, camera person, look over there. That's the Starling. So same ESC. So if this ever fails, I have that. XT60 connector, I believe it's 3.5 millimeter bullet plugs. I'm not sure, don't rely off of me. I'm just a little kid who thinks that that's what I saw in the tutorial. We got plastic gear servos that are probably gonna strip out in a couple of weeks, but I have metal gear servos. We have our Y connector, we have the ESC, and we have the motor buried in here somewhere. I believe it's all in that bubble wrap. Oh yeah, there's the motor. That's the motor. Again, same motor as in the Starling.